afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Ride to the Sun. So going out to test the gear today. These are the boots, the cities, and this is the gear. When I get there, I'll probably break it down to see what I'm packing. This is just testing out the gear, meaning my suit, see how the bike handles weight, sort of a fall phase to see what the packing is going to be like. It's quite cold outside, so let's see how it goes. All right, so I've zeroed out the scale. Let's have an idea of what's going to be on the bike. Wow, that's about, can we zero that out? I'm reading somewhere about 6.3 pounds. It's hard to see. So let's take off one and see. Yep, 3.205. So together, it's somewhere around 6.4 pounds. And I'm not gonna tell you how big my big old feet are. Okay, these are the cities. If you ever wonder what they look like. Size 12s, okay? Now, what I did with my bags, oh wow, this bag, I labeled them. This is a brake side, excuse my chicken scratch, and in it are clothes, a pair of sneakers, just some light summer Nikes, a tire repair kit, a boonie hat, a poncho. I think I have poncho on here twice. So that's pretty much, I may have added a few things. This is 13 pounds as of now. Give you a peek inside. Okay. You'll need a flashlight. I added a flashlight in there. A head type flashlight. So, of course, this is a brake side. Okay. And I use painter's tape. So that way, if I'm going someplace else and I decide to put something else in it, hopefully this thing will, wow, this side is considerably, yeah, I have to see if I could move some things. I like things to be symmetrical. I don't know why this is not focusing in. Excuse me for that. This is a clutch side. That's how I know where they go, so I'm not always, iPhone's having a hard time focusing. Oh, now it's 16, 17. Oh, wow. So this one is at 17. So I'll probably take something out of this one and put it in the other bag. Take the chair out. I'll take the chair out. God, this is so horrible. So that's 15. You can't see it. 15.45. And I'll throw it in the other bag. Just to keep them harmonious. So they should be closer to being the same weight. And now we'll load them up in these side bags. All right, so we're gonna load them up in a bag. Let's see. I might take the bag off and also show you what they weigh with the bag. Well, before I do that, let's see what this bag by itself weighs. Well, I have to show you so you could, okay, let me flip it over. It says 8.8, 8.9. So, trying to do this live, so there's a whole lot of shaking, so I apologize. quality of this video, but I'm doing it myself, so apologies. So I'll put this in here. Let's see what it weighs with the gear in it. As you can see, probably do a better job fixing it. Feels like there's a little room at the bottom. Okay, so oh wow. One side, obviously we would have to reassess this if we were going far. One side, this is a Extremada bag. I wonder what it would be like with the hard cases. So this is 24.484. So let me flip it. So if it's shaky. With the bag, okay, 24.4. I'm assuming the other side will be very similar to this side. So I'm gonna spare you the rest of that and put everything on. When I put the other one on, I'll come back and let you know, maybe even show you what the other side weighs, okay? So, okay, the weight is a little bit lopsided. It's 4 pounds heavier on this side, on the brake side, than it will be on the clutch side. Let me show you real quick. I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm not gonna stop it, okay? It's showing and fluctuating at 20.3. So we're somewhere at 20.3. I'm not sure if you could see it. I'm trying to show it to you, but if you can't see it, it's at 20.3. So all in all, one side is 24.4, you could say 24.5. Actually, it was lower forward, so 24, 24, and one side is 20. So we're at 44.5. You might as well round it to 45. Let's not count the top box. It's pretty empty right now. I don't plan on putting anything in it for now. So I'm gonna go out for a ride and see how this bike handles with the weight on it. Not only that, I'll be geared up, be suited up and booted up. I'm not gonna go back and look, but I think the boots weighed somewhere around 8 pounds, 8.6, I think, if I recall correctly. So we're adding quite a bit of weight. So let's see how it goes. The helmet was about 3.5 that I'll be wearing. With the suit, I'm sure that's probably another 10 pounds.
He's reading
So
7.6.
do the math, all you math
pounds.
experts.
7.6 pounds.
Let's get it.